Africa, off the coast of Cape Town's Table Mountain, another sharp-eyed bird is following a very different kind of migration. The Cape gannet knows the secrets of the sea. Curious and intelligent, it hunts as part of a team. But not the kind of team you'd expect. A pod of common dolphins swims below. The two species working together with military precision. The birds are the eyes in the sky, looking for telltale signs that the migration has arrived. The dolphins are the infantry that will flank the prey. And once the gannets spot their prize, the seabird becomes a 60-mile-per-hour missile. Plunging 7 stories underwater. Deeper than any other bird on Earth. This is what they find. Millions of sardines on the move, the biggest fish migration on the planet. Snagging fish at this depth is tough. Many divers come up empty. But guiding the dolphins here is about to pay off. The dolphins attack from below, breaking up the schools and forcing the sardines to the surface. Just what the gannets are waiting for.